On this week's show, it's been a market bloodbath. What did I buy and what are my investments now worth, if anything? Let's do this. Hi and welcome back to episode 4, and what a week this has been. We have bought more stock and a little bit more Bitcoin, taking our total over 0.1 Bitcoins. And until Friday, things were not looking too bad. Then it all went red. Very red. Very, very red. It's times like this that you need a pair of these. But if you like what I'm doing and you want to see more, don't forget to click the subscribe button. So let's get straight into the project numbers. So let's look at our stocks and ETFs. As you can see, we've still got $565 cash available, and we've invested $1,310. And yep, that profit and loss, we're down minus 6.83 on that investment, or approximately $89. Looking at that in more detail, we can see our SPY, S&P fund, is down $27. Our Amazon is down $30. Our VIG is down $15.55. Our silver is down 1.95, and our Tesla stocks are down 14.49. I still believe that the big stocks there, the Amazon and Tesla, are still very much overvalued. But I should have done this on Thursday, and that was a sea of green. By the close of markets, it turned very red indeed. So let's look at Bitcoin, where the sea of red continues. We own 0.103 Bitcoin, and prices dropped 7.55% on the day. We own 1.32 Ethereum, and the price is down 7.91%. We still have our Ethereum 2, which we're staking, and that's down 7.73%. And then we have our DAI, which is the only green again this week, up 0.01. We actually had more DAI this week. We did a training video on Coinbase, and earned another £3 worth of DAI. Free coins, right? So looking at the portfolio as a whole, we see that we bought more Amazon stocks this week. We've also bought more Tesla, more silver, more S&P index, and more Vanguard. So a bit of a buy-in week, just as the market crashed through all our low buy points that we put on the exchange. So let's put our wonderful graphics up. We really need some better graphics than this. And we see that our starting fiat was 15,000 as always, and our current value has dropped to 12,907. That's not particularly great, but no worries. As I say, we're in a downtrend and we have to keep going. So having a quick look at the ROIs, we see that this week we're down 4.2% from last week, and we're minus 13% down in total. This looks very red, but let's have a look at the forecast for the next year, 18 months ahead, and here we see a very different picture. Now, you might call me an optimist, but I reckon the fund in about 18 months should be worth about £50,000. But we will see as we move forward on the project if that forecast or projection is actually correct. I also think it's worth discussing the rules around this project, what its actual aims are, and I think I'll do that in another video. So that's all for this show. I'll be back soon, but I plan to release future videos on a Thursday night. And as I always say, onward and upward.